Hi, I'm Christelle.
And I'm Christina.
And we are the Permacrafters. Join us for a one-year journey to eco-friendly living. Over the next 12 months, you'll be gaining a wealth of knowledge through our online video courses and developing exciting new skills for leading a healthier and more eco-friendly life.
It doesn't matter if you're brand new to this topic,
or if you've worked in environmental protection your entire life,
or if your first language is in English.
We will meet you where you're at.
And we will do so in a safe, supportive space.
Imagine exploring a new, exciting topic with every passing season. In the spring, you'll learn all about green cleaning minus the greenwashing BS. No more toxic crap, hold the single-use plastic, and skip the environmental destruction. In the summer, you'll delve into zero-waste body care and cosmetics. You'll learn how to find or make your own safe body care products with ingredients that are local to you and zero waste. We'll address all your questions about hair care, skin care, dental care, and more. And in the fall, we'll delve into everything you ever wanted to know about zero-waste menstruation. We'll also explore the world of herbal remedies for common ailments, where you'll learn how to make your own tinctures, salves, syrups, and more. In the winter, you'll learn how to sprout and grow microgreens indoors to get the best, freshest nutrition right in your kitchen. Then we will delve into becoming secondhand pros, how to get everything you've ever wished for secondhand. And finally, we'll get into how to become an engaged citizen of the world, how you can use your voice and actions to create a more beautiful world. So if you're ready to take the leap with us,
and join a supportive community to help you on your low-waste journey to care for the planet and for your health, this is where you want to be.
We cannot wait for you to join us.